Akram here, and I am making this video to demonstrate my work as I am going to design a website for one of my client, and this is going to be a simple project. That's a few pages website, very much simple. So let's restart. First, let's see what my client has given to me. So first of all, he has sent me the logo and he has mentioned the page's name of the website. So we have homepage, services, flight training, and contact. And he has also provided two website which they like. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So let's start now. And okay, I'd like to say that I am going to design the website in Photoshop first, so I can get the approval from my client. And once the client approves it, then I will start to develop it. And I will show you how to develop the website in my next video. So let's design the website in Photoshop first. And these are the information. So this is the logo which client has sent to me, and I have two sample website. So these are pretty much simple website, and they also want the website as simple as possible. And first at first let's open the Photoshop. So this is our Photoshop. I'm going to take a new sheet, and this is going to be website homepage, and the standard width we use, that is 1920, and height there is no limit. I'm just going to take 5000 for now. If I need, I will increase it later. So let's start to design. Okay, to start the designing, we already have the logo, but we also need to find out few good quality images so that we can use them for the website. So to find out the images, I'm going to use pixabay.com. From here, we can get the free and royalty free stock images. So the website is going to be for the flight training service, because they provides the flight training service. So we are going to collect few images before we start designing. This will help us to speed up the process. So we need the images based on the flight. So let's start to find small plane. So we are going to make a folder for images. We have this one. This is good, but not okay. We can use this one. We can also get some cockpit images. Okay, so we have enough images now. We can use this to start the project. So first of all, we will need to make the Photoshop ready. I'm making it ready. Okay, so we are going to start with the header, and I'm just taking a rectangle so I can start working. We'll need the logo. We're going to make a simple design, so nothing fancy. We're going to take the content wrapper, okay. Now we have the navigation. So we have these 4 pages in the website. Okay, now as we are using the font, we will have to select a font for the website, and if we view this website, they are using this font. This is a good font, we can use that. Also in this one, I think they are using Roboto. Okay, so they are using System UI. So we are going to use Montserrat font, and we can also check the font before using. Okay, so this is a good one we can use. We will need some demo content. We will check before we use the font to see how it is going to look. This is good. Heading test. Okay, we have all these options here. We can try. And for font, we can use Lato, or we can use Roboto. Okay, let's forget. We should go with Montserrat. And so this is the final font, and we have the image, we have the dummy content. Now we can start designing. So as we are using the Montserrat, and we are going to apply that font, I think if we use all capitalize, it is much better. Okay, now we will need some social icons. So we are going to use simplified version. That can be We can use this one. We will need only Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Okay, for demo purpose, let's keep 3 icons because we can reuse them later when we are developing, but this is just to show the demo to my client. Okay, so we have a background, so we can't use that one. Just write it down. Okay, so our header is almost ready. We are not going to keep the background as gray. That is just to get the sizing for my header, and if I remove the background, this is going to look okay. This is perfect for a simple website. We have the logo, page's name, and we have the social icon section. Okay, now we have the second section, that is the main section of the website. This is going to attract the users, the visitors. So we should use something elegant where the user or visitors can understand what the website offers. So obviously there is a standard, that is we either use a slider, or we can use a simple image background, or we can use a video background. So I have a plan to use video background, but we can't show the video in Photoshop, so I'm going to use the image. So the next section is going to be main banner section, and in this section we are going to use the picture. Let's view these images together. So this is a good one. We can't use this one simply because this is going to be a black combination, but we have a light version. So either we can use this one because we don't have any branding on the plane. So let's start with this one. I'm going to resize it. The width is going to be 1920, and the height generally I use 800, as we have the option, so we can make it less. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to take it and use here. Okay, we can't place any text over the image, so we are going to use an overlay. Let's keep it 80. This is good. Now we can remove the background from the header. This is going to look much better. So this is it. And if we want to okay, let's forget. So we are going to use a tagline. Let's use some tagline from here. Premier Flight School. Okay, so we are going to use a text that is going to icon flight service, font color, going to use Montserrat bold, font size, let's keep it. So we did some wrong. This is going to place here. Let's keep it like that. Icon flight service. We can use some dummy text to introduce our service. To be regular. Very little text, not so much. This is a good portion. Okay, we are facing a problem here. Because we can't view the text because of the background, so we have another option, that is, yeah, we can use a layer with another overlay, and there is going to be this one. %70 opacity. Keep it here. Can use this. No, remove some more text because we will not have so much text here. Okay, this is fine. Now we are going to create a new button. We can get rid of these things because we have used them already. Okay, so we will need a button. Can use the color. Let's see if it works better. This is fine. Font is a little bit bigger. Okay, I'm going to save this file. Also going to export the work till now so I can view how this is going to look in the browser. Okay, so this is our image, and if I put it on the browser, I can have a better view. So this is what we can have in the browser. So everything is fine, but we need to resize the navigation font, and rest is fine. Yeah, we can go with the rest of the things, and if we have some issues, we can fix them in the developing phase. Okay, so I'm going to take the navigation. Navigation will be a little bit smaller, and that's it. So we have the banner section complete. Now we have the second section where we are going to add few text. Okay, on the second section, we are having a headline. Let's make it like this. We are So we can keep the second section simple, and it is already simple. Okay, now we have the third section. And for the third section, we can have this, what we offer, but we are going to use a background, not color. We are going to use a background photo. So the background photo can be, we can use this one as background now. So 1920, we will need few more. So we are keeping this. Okay, paste it here. Okay, cool. Again, we are going to use an overlay so we can view the text. So okay, we can have three sections. So we will need icon, text, and something else. Let's find out few icons. Okay, I don't see any good quality icons. So what is better, we can select the icons later, but for now we can use a demo icon, and let's use, we'll need a white icon. Let's use this one for now. We'll to use the white color. Image trim. Okay, so this is going to be bad. Okay, no, we can't have that. No, can't use this one. No. So this is the crucial part to find out a good icon. Nope. Okay, I'm going to edit this one, and this is done. Color is going to be white. Going to resize it to make some fit thing. Let's copy this and paste it here. Much better. And we're going to have a title, icon, going to be title. Title is, let's take it out from here, private pilot license. Not black, this is going to be bold. Not white, this is going to be gray. Much more smaller, 30. Why don't we make it like this? And another one, short description. Okay, short description can be as simple as possible, so let's make it. Okay, this is already done. We're not going to make it capitalize. We'll have normal, we will have auto mode. This is 20 and medium. Perfect. And we don't need so much content. We may have 2 or 3 lines. I hope this is perfect. Okay, so we have this 3 group. On 1, I'm going to duplicate this and boom. This is for my margin purpose. This is good. What we offer, and we can have a separator here. Separate is simple white. And that's it. What we offer is a little bit over. No, this is fine. 1, 2, and 3. This is okay to place here. Okay, we can close this another button. Offer button is going to be placed here. Control J. Okay. So this is it. We may have the background of this button a little bit bigger, so we have the understanding. We can make the this is perfect now. So we have the second section ready. Now we are going for the third section, and in this section they have a video. We can use a video as well. Oh, look, let's use a video. So the third section is the new one. Fourth section, we need video. So flight training video.
Hey guys, what's up? John from FlyMyCalf.com, and welcome to our...
Let's find out few stock video. Let's use this as a video cover. So we have the video cover now. Where is the video cover? Okay, so this is video cover. Taking it here, new banner, video cover, make it small. We don't want to use so much space for this is good. We need a simple video icon. Blue is better. No. Let's do this one. The color is going to be white. Taking it, pasting here, Ctrl T. Okay, cool. Now we're going to have a title here. Now we can use a place for this one. And another one for a little bit text. Okay, so we have almost everything now. We can use a testimonial section. Not a testimonial, let's use a gallery section. That is much better. So another section. Gallery section. So we are going to this one. Gallery headline is going to go here. Control T. Take it where we want. Let's put it. Okay, for gallery we will need a background. And the background color can be a little bit gray. Let's use this. Gallery. And we are going to take few images. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. Yep. Now we are going to enter. First one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are the gallery images we are going to use. I'm going to crop it 600 and height can be 450. Yep, this is good to go. Let's take it this way. 500 and good to go. 500. Okay, so this one every picture can have a border, so we're going to use that as a stroke. 11 is fine. Cool. So images and duplicate this group again, copy this, and here we go. We can reshuffle the picture, place it like that. So this and this, and this is going to be a little bit bigger. Okay, cool. So we have the gallery. Now finally we can have the footer. So let's have a view how they have their footer. Okay, so simple one. I'm going to make more simple version. So we are going to use a rectangle again. Okay, so this is the color, and we need to change the color, something like this. Okay, now again we can we can place the favicon. Don't need these images. Placing it here. Footer, new layer, paste it. Okay, so the problem is if we use the footer like this, we need to make it this, so we have the control, Okay, now done. We need the social icons, which we have in the header section, so we duplicate the layer and paste it here. Control T, and okay, we have the here. Then we can place the navigation, which is again we know navigation copy. Cool. We're going to navigate the copy. And we are going to place it in the footer section. Here is our navigation. Now we have some copyright, which we can copy from any of the places. duplicate layer, copyright. Perfect. So we have this now. So here it is. We have the slider the PSD ready. This is the first draft version. So we are going to save the file, and also we are going to export the JPG so I can send it to my client. Okay, JPG exported. Now I'm going to have a look on that using my browser as I did before. So paste it here, zoom it, adjust it to the background. So if we develop this website, this is going to look almost like this. Again, when we will develop the website, we are going to make some adjustment to fit it for the live version, but this is the view we are going to have when we have this website live. And this is a good one, simple version, and as the wanted, this is something like them. So I'm going to send this file to my client so he can look at it and he can send me his feedback, and after that I will do the adjustment, and after that in the second phase I'm going to record another video to show you how I develop the website online. I hope you like this video, and let me know in the comment if there is anything I can do for you. Thank you for watching.